Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, we're going to be working over on Canva, and we're going to be creating a M&M's wrapper template. This is for the 3.10 ounce box of candy. So if you're interested in learning how to create this template yourself, make sure to watch the video till the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Alright guys, let's hop into the tutorial. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com. You want to go to custom size. Make sure it says inches. And you want your size to be 11 by 8.5 inches. And click create a new design. So once your blank canvas pulls up, you want to head on over to Elements. Scroll down to Shapes. And you want your shape to be 7.1 inches in height. And you want it to be 6.2 inches across. We want to position this to the middle. You want to select your shape again. Make it a different color for now. And we want our middle shape to be 2.5 inches in height. And we want it to be 6.2 inches across. We want to position this in the middle. And there we have it. We have created our template, which is fairly easy to create. You can head on over to Google, and if you want to add the M&M's logo, you can do a Google search to find the logo. When searching for your logo over on Google, you want to try to find a PNG version of the logo. That way the background is already transparent for you. Next, you can head on over to your upload tabs and upload all of the Clipart's background and any images you may want to use in your design. I have gone ahead and uploaded all of the clip arts that I may want to use in my design. If my screen looks a bit different, it's because I have Canva Pro, and with Canva Pro you can save your clip arts in different folders to help keep them organized. For those of you who are interested in a pre-made version of this template, hopefully by the time I post this video, I'm going to have it up and ready and available for download. If I do, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. At this point in the video, I'm using the pre-made template that I created, which is the same template I just showed you how to create. The only difference, I have already set up everything for you, and you can just go in and create your design. In the template, I'm going to provide the M&M logos for you, and I'm going to provide a nutritional facts label for you, just to make it easy for you. And that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and create a really quick design. I'm going to print it out and assemble to show you how it all comes together. Stay tuned. All right, I wanted to share with you all some printing tips. If you're going to be using the glossy paper, that could be either the photo paper or the brochure paper, you're going to have to make sure you go into your printer settings and make sure the settings are correct for your particular printer. Now, I'm using my HP Envy printer, and for this printer, I have to go in and set my paper type. I have to select photo paper for paper type, and my print quality needs to be set to best. And under these settings, I don't have any issue with the ink coming off of the paper. All right, guys, I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.